Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the travel buddy to your account on the Opodo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the stored travelers section, tap on add passenger, and after that you should add the type of passenger, such as adult, child or infant. Then add their gender, their name, date of birth and nationality. In terms of document, you can add the ID number, expiry date and nationality of their passport. Then the national ID and frequent flyer can be added too. And you should type in their contact details, such as their address, region, postcode, country of residence, phone code, phone number. And then when you are done with filling out this form, then click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then it will be added to this traveler section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.